Most internet marketers involved in affiliate marketing promotions will use their site and/or blog to post reviews about various products they are promoting in an effort to convince visitors that these are offers worth purchasing. To convince people that you are an authority in reviewing products and to increase your conversion rates, be sure to only add useful content to your site or blog. You don't want to go off topic and have your prospect distracted by information or offers that don't have anything to do with the offer you are promoting. When you are promoting affiliate offers, there are three main types of content you should be focusing on, which are discussed in this video. 1. Product offer reviews. When people are considering purchasing an offer, whether an ebook, software program, membership program, training, etc., they want to know the insides of it. In other words, they want to know the quality of the information inside the ebook or membership program, how well the software program works and if it serves the purpose it is supposed to serve, etc. Therefore, you should contact the vendors of these offers for early access to them before the product launch period and spend some time going over the offers in detail. This is what people are looking for before purchasing through an affiliate link inside information that can help them decide whether the offer is really for them or not. When going through an offer and reviewing it, you should not only write about it, but you should also utilize audio and video in your review. If it's an ebook, software program, or membership site, you can show a little of what is inside of the offer and review what you liked about it and what you didn't like about it or where you thought it could be better. Don't be afraid to mention the negatives along with the positives of an offer, as people can get suspicious of an affiliate marketer's lauding a product offer as if it's the best thing on earth with no weaknesses whatsoever. Very few product offers are so good that they have no flaws in them, so don't be afraid to mention the negatives of an offer so that you appear honest to the people checking out your review. This will make it more likely they will learn to trust you and come back to you whenever a new product offer comes out. 2. How-tos. How-tos should especially be the content when you are reviewing software programs, such as software programs to improve your site's search engine optimization (SEO), or for publishing Kindle books or other types of books, etc. How-tos are usually videos that show exactly how to operate a software program, though text can also accompany the video as well, since some people like to read along with the video in using something or even just to read instructions when working with a software program. People may be intimidated by software programs and be hesitant to purchase them. If you show them how the software program works and that it is not that hard to use, however, they will be likelier to purchase it because they'll feel comfortable with the program thanks to your how-to video and/or text. 3. Comparisons. Comparisons should be the content when you are comparing two offers, especially offers that are similar to each other. These could be two ebooks on the same topic or two software programs that are designed to perform the same or similar function, i.e. SEO, Kindle or book publishing, etc. Comparisons can be text, audio, video, or a combination of both. With software programs and membership sites in particular, you should really consider using audio, video because it's easier to demonstrate the differences in software programs or membership sites and their features if people can see what exactly the differences are. With ebooks, either text, audio, video, or both can be used, as it's easier to describe differences in ebooks with just text and not quite as vital to display the differences on screen as compared to software programs or membership sites. 4. Add extra bonuses to make more sales. Affiliate marketing is a very popular segment of internet marketing today, as evidenced by the fact there are many affiliate marketing networks with thousands of affiliates on each platform. We reviewed JVZoo, ClickBank, and ShareASale, and that's not all of them. Thus, affiliate marketing is a very competitive industry, and with thousands of affiliates promoting the same offers, it can be very hard to stand out and earn affiliate commissions, especially when you are going up against established, more experienced marketers. How can you stand out and make good commissions when the competition is so fierce? The key is adding your own value to the affiliate offer, specifically in the form of bonuses. When you are writing, posting reviews and sending out email messages to your subscribers promoting an offer, inform them that you will add some special bonuses when they purchase through your affiliate link. Note that these bonuses must be valuable, and the most effective tactic is providing special bonuses that they can only get from you, or at least products, services that can't be readily provided by everyone promoting the offer. You may be wondering what type of bonuses you can provide to convince people to purchase through your affiliate link. You have several options: creating your own digital products, even your own membership site and providing free access, etc. Hosting your own webinar that shows how to use a product, such as a software program, etc., and answering questions about how to use that product, etc. Providing in-depth knowledge of a topic or software program that only you can provide based on previous experience, etc. Having digital products created for you by outsourcers. Using PLR digital products that you either have or purchased and modified accordingly if needed, to provide a unique bonus that complements the offer. Providing additional services that enhance the offer, such as offering SEO services to enhance a website offer or offering writing services to provide additional content for an ebook offer, etc. There are plenty of ways you can offer valuable bonuses that stand out from the crowd and convince people to purchase through your affiliate link. The key is to learn what people need help with or what they find valuable as a bonus to an offer through research of your target market, then providing them with that help either through your own means or through the use of outsourcers. 5. Remember that the money is in the list in internet marketing. Just because you are promoting other people's products does not mean you should ignore building your own list along the way. You should always be trying to build your list no matter what marketing methods you are using online. Building your list should be your number one goal at all times, as that can boost your business long-term sales and profitability. There are software programs that enable you to put opt-in boxes on top of other people's web pages so that you can gain their contact information to follow up with them later, both for the offer you're currently promoting and for future offers. Additionally, if you are reviewing product offers on your site and/or blog, you should have opt-in boxes available on each page where you are doing reviews. This is another way to get people to join your list. If you are providing good reviews and information on various product offers, chances are high that people will want to join your list so they can see the reviews you are providing on other people's products. You can even contact them via email whenever you post a new product review on your site or blog. Another reason people will want to be on your list is if you are providing good, useful bonuses to other marketers' offers. If you get a reputation for providing good, useful bonuses, people will want to join your list so that they can click through your affiliate link whenever you promote an offer and get your bonuses, leading to more affiliate commissions for you. Again, building your list is key to internet marketing, no matter if it's affiliate marketing, social media marketing, etc. Also keep in mind that you want to build relationships and engagement with the subscribers on your list. This is key to building a sustainable, long-term online business. In addition, people are usually skeptical of offers and will not purchase on their first visit. In fact, it takes an average of 7 emails or showings of an offer in order for most people to click through and purchase an offer. If you don't get people to sign up to your list, you will likely lose the visitor to your review page or other page on your site, blog forever, likely leading the visitor to someone else's review site and that marketer getting the affiliate commission instead of you. Therefore, building your list is vital even if you are only involved in affiliate marketing. Many affiliate marketers make the mistake of not building their list along the way of promoting other marketers' offers. If you want to leverage the power of affiliate marketing, check out the description below. You can find the best online programs that will give you the right and practical skills to start and scale your affiliate marketing business. Let me know in the comments sections if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe.